Hi, Lucas here in Pauls Valley, Oklahoma, and I'm at the Santa Fe Train Museum. Let's check it out.
I'm Adrienne Grimmett, and I'm president of the Pauls Valley Historical Society, who take care of this depot. And welcome, I'm so glad you're here. 1897, that's when the railroad came through here. And it was too little, tiny little depot. And finally, in 1905, they built this depot. This is the original waiting room, and we haven't changed it.
Surely these aren't the original benches.
They're probably not the 1887. I don't know, they could have been, but they're definitely here from 1905.
Really? Oh no, Adrienne, are you locked in jail?
No, Pauls Valley is named for Smith Paul up here. It's the only picture of him in the world.
1969, NH Lindsay Memorial Hospital. Private room was $8, up to $12 a day. Semi-private room, $6. Delivery room, $15. Cost $15 to have a baby.
Yeah, well, I had both my first and second child there.
How much did you pay?
I stayed there for five days or 4 days. Now you can stay 1 day.
No kidding.
And for $100. And this is a model. I mean, it would really cook.
So they would take this out so you don't have to take the whole thing, but
Yeah.
that way they could see it.
Yeah.
This is before people could go and do online shopping.
Yeah.
And see a picture.
These are from World War II. This one says, your daily dozen for victory. A 25-cent war stamp will buy a soldier 12 bullets. This is, we had.
They delivered the babies. Is this the postage for?
No, that's for ice.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ice baby.
This is from an old barber. He's probably 100 years old. Kids, when the kids come in, they think, oh my gosh, look at this. And they think these are ancient. They think they're ancient stuff. Now this is our military. We had a prisoner of war camp here briefly during the war, and we needed workers. They could send prisoners of war to your town. And they had rules. They'd get up in the morning and have breakfast, and they'd go to their place of work and have lunch, and then they'd come back. They could only work so many hours, but here they were.
Well, there you have it. A look at the Santa Fe Depot in Pauls Valley. I'm Lucas, discovering Oklahoma.